Tongyang. Masarap ulat ng pagkain.
Maraming salamat sa Liga dahil sa akomodasyon na binigay niyo sa amin. Magaganda dito sa Eastport. Yes. Ganda.
Lahat at welcome po sa Cluster 3 ng ating 2025 National Congress. Tayo po ay nagsasama-sama upang matuto sa bawat isa, upang mag-aral, makipag-ugnayan at makilala ang bawat isa para mas maging matatag ang ating samahan.
A grand welcome to the National President of the Liga ng mga Barangay sa Pilipinas, Honorable Maria Katrina Jessica G.
Kilalanin natin ang kapangyarihan at halaga ng barangay. Na ang barangay talaga ang pinagmumulan ng lahat at kinakailangan palaganapin, tulungan, palakasin ng todo.
Incredible work, dedication, and passion ng ating mga barangay leaders. Because at the heart of it all, you are truly using your lives to build a better future.
Former DILG Secretary, Attorney Benjamin Benhar Avalos Jr.
Maliit man ang barangay, pero nandito ang lakas at kinabukasan ng Pilipinas.
Responsibilidad ng barangay na magtayo at mag-establish ng isang materials recovery facility. Maaaring isa sa bawat barangay o isa para sa isang samahan ng mga barangay.
Dahil sa ating pagtutulungan, dahil sa ating pagkakaisa, umabot hanggang dulo at natapos na pirmahan ang panukalang isinusulong na 4 years at 3 terms.
It is a right for every Filipino to have cheap, accessible, and clean drinking water all year round, regardless of the time of year, regardless of the weather, and regardless of where they live in the country.
We're hoping that with these acts and with your support, we can increase the development of renewable energy across the grids and allow us to be able to use more renewable energy to power your homes to ensure clean, reliable, and affordable electricity for everybody.
Saving with Pag-ibig is like saving in the bank. In fact, what's good about saving with Pag-ibig Fund is that your money earns a very high dividend Great.
Kalinisan ay isang estratehiya ng mga barangay upang maiwasan natin yung mga sakuna. Nararapat lamang ang naarugain natin, linangin natin at payabungin pa natin ang ating kalikasan.
Community-based solid waste management.
To all barangay leaders, continue delivering serbisyong may puso. Not just for people, but also for our environment.
Your commitment is what made the third cluster of the National Congress a resounding success. That the knowledge and insight you have gained here will be cascaded and put into action in your respective barangays.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At mabuhay ang mga barangay officials po natin. Mabuhay ang Liga ng mga Barangay sa Pilipinas.